Hey folks, Jamie Houston here from Duke Banjo Ukuleles, and I'm in China at the Roxon factory where we're having the Duke 10 banjoleles manufactured. There's a whole bunch of them on the floor behind me in racks, and I'm here with my friend Banjo, and the two of us are quality checking them all. So I just thought I'd give you a quick look at what we're doing, and so you can get a feel for how things are working on this trip for me. It's pretty exciting. I'm really thrilled with the Duke 10s. They're looking awesome. They're sounding amazing. So here you go. Here's a quick look. We'll just flick this around. So you can probably see there are just trays and trays and trays or racks of Duke 10s, all waiting. These are all mostly finished. And basically what we're doing is just checking all the finer points, making sure everything's as it should be. And then once they're checked, they fit the armrest. That's the final thing that's missing, is the armrest. But everything else is done. Pickups are there, and they're strung and they're tuned and tested. So so we're just checking various things. There's little issues that arise, a sharp edge here, or a tailpiece that's a little bit crooked or something like that. So yeah, that's kind of that's what we're up to for the next 4 or 5 days, if we can survive the cold. There's no heaters in here, so that's why I'm so rugged up. But no, it's good. The staff are all really lovely and been really helpful. And as you can tell, I'm probably a little bit excited because these are going to be going into some cases very shortly and getting shipped. So we'll just quickly run over here. Let's just have a quick look at what's going on with these guys. So we see them all working away and stringing them and tuning them. So right, we're going to pop, we'll go down this end. Quick look down here. This is Jack. He's the owner of the factory. He's just explaining a few things to these guys. This gentleman's fitting the armrest. Yeah. There you go. Sort of the hole for the armrest. And over here is the exciting part. Well, I'm excited about these. Look at these. Here are the cases, the tweed cases and the black cases, all sitting there ready to have all the banjoleles put inside, and they will be boxed up. Now over here they're popping them inside. Let's have a look. There we go. Here's some finished ones here. So this is what they'll look like when you get them. I won't show you inside in this video. We can save that for another one, but these guys are putting them all together. So that's it. Hope you've enjoyed the little tour of the factory and what's going on here. And if you've got any comments, I'd love to hear from you. You can post a comment on the blog post, or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can let us know what you think under there. All right, cheers. See you.